ChatGPT in gambling, a new approach to creating gaming strategies. This is the first multi-purpose chatbot available to any web user. It is also a clear example of how artificial intelligence is infiltrating everyday life and replacing traditional sources of information. Casino Market explains how ChatGPT is used in the gambling industry. We also learn if it brings real benefits to gamers. What is ChatGPT? In November 2022, the IT corporation OpenAI, whose co-founder and a member of the board is Elon Musk, presented the ChatGPT chatbot. In just 6 months, it has found application in various sectors of the economy, including finance, tourism, media production, and, of course, gambling. The solution was created using artificial intelligence (AI) algorithms. It was developed and tested on an Azure AI machine based on the GPT 3.5 language model. A little later, the company presented an updated version of GPT-4. The algorithms built into the software can analyze not only text but also other types of content, images, videos, and audio materials. The software training is based on the program reinforcement learning from human feedback. In addition, the OpenAI provider hired trainers for testing who spoke on behalf of a person and an AI assistant. How the proprietary bot works. The product is presented as a chat with many dialogues. Each open conversation is saved. It is possible to view the history of questions and answers at any time, as well as add comments. ChatGPT comes in 2 versions, free access. A gambler needs to register on the official OpenAI site. Verification takes place through a valid mobile operator number. Paid ChatGPT Plus subscription. It is issued for the latest version of the software, GPT-4, released in March 2023. The price is $20. In February 2023, the number of registered users in ChatGPT reached 100 million people worldwide. The features of registration in the system. The creation of an account is possible through a valid email address and mobile phone number, or a created and verified account in Google or Microsoft. For residents of Russia, Afghanistan, Belarus, Iran, Venezuela, and China, identification is not possible. The program automatically blocks access to the chatbot by checking a PC's IP address. What tasks the personal assistant can perform. The functionality of the chatbot is constantly being improved. New filters and response models appear, and adapted programming interfaces are added for the interaction of the product with external services. The main features of the proprietary bot are as follows: code writing, scripting, creating lyrics and music, planning and accounting calculations, medical consulting, generating requests for other neural networks, writing essays. The future of AI software. The appearance of ChatGPT caused a serious stir in the global information market. Leading IT corporations are concerned that the AI solution is becoming a strong competitor to popular search services. The IT giant Microsoft was the first to add bot functionality to its proprietary Bing search engine. This caused concern among the main opponent in the market, Google. Now, the company is working on launching its smart assistant called Bard. At the moment, the product is at the stage of preliminary testing. How bettors use ChatGPT. The bot can analyze and evaluate any situation, whether it is a hand in video poker or the launch of digital reels in a premium slot. The product gives gamers a real and legitimate advantage. It allows them to test different betting strategies and simulate dozens of development scenarios. ChatGPT brings the greatest benefit in betting, while the role of a virtual assistant in online casinos is less significant. The main features of the digital bot. Let us consider what ChatGPT gives players. The collection, analysis, and updating of data. The AI program processes large amounts of information in real time to provide bettors with only up-to-date information about teams, athletes, and upcoming matches. The initial data is as fragmented as possible. Here are the results of previous rounds, the opinions of experts, and statements by officials, coaches, heads of federations, etc. ChatGPT collects and structures information, freeing bettors from hours of complex work. The creation of personal recommendations. Offers are formed based on the characteristics of a particular user. Matches viewed, favorite teams, preferences for sports and types of bets, etc. Based on the collected data, the chatbot gives practical advice that will be useful for both beginners and professional high rollers. Sending recommendations is completely independent. ChatGPT cannot be bribed and it is impossible to illegally change its settings. The analysis of past sports meetings. The program provides detailed analytics on the results of teams and individual athletes. Thanks to this, the chatbot reveals patterns and trends that help bettors make informed decisions on future wagers. Odds and lines monitoring. ChatGPT tracks available bets in dozens of bookmaker resources. Based on the data received, it recommends to the visitor where to wager best. Both the main quotes and hidden bonuses, promotions, and cashback offers are taken into account. The AI program also analyzes the margin of betting sites, sending only the most profitable options. The provision of game strategies. The recommendations are based on the preferences and nature of a particular visitor's play, statistics, trends, and forecasts of experts and reputable analytical media. The rules for working with the chatbot. Numerous studies confirm that the accuracy of AI-based programs is up to 75%. ChatGPT will not be able to determine the winner of the match, the exact outcome, or the number of scoring chances with 100% certainty. The key task of a virtual assistant is the careful collection and analysis of data. Based on them, bettors should make their informed choice. How to improve communication with ChatGPT. As accurate description of tasks as possible. To do this, a hint technique is used. Thanks to this, incorrect results are automatically eliminated. If the bettor sends a well-thought-out instruction, the virtual assistant always gives a good recommendation on wagers and odds. Informed decisions only. One of the most famous winnings received with the help of ChatGPT belongs to Patavikorn Bunran from Thailand. The program guessed the winning combination in the national lottery. The numbers 57, 27, 29, and 99 brought good luck to the Thai. Although the amount of the prize was not announced. Representatives of OpenAI call the correct guessing of the combination random. Virtual assistant ChatGPT in online casinos. The role of a chatbot in internet gaming clubs is much more modest compared to betting sites. Most titles are based on a built-in RNG. Therefore, forming winning sequences and guessing them is pure chance. Let us consider how ChatGPT can help a visitor to an iGaming site. The formation of a recommendation list. The program studies the previous user experience. Based on it, the tool offers only the content that will interest the potential participant. Within one gambling resource, there can be over 1,000 gaming positions. It may be complicated to get acquainted with all of them. ChatGPT will analyze the catalog of an online casino and filter out only those solutions that the gambler will like. It can be content from a particular studio, interesting mechanics, progressive jackpot products, and other interesting options. Getting hints. The AI program gives practical advice on how to obtain an advantage on a gambling site. Here are some typical questions that participants most often ask in the dialog box. Which entertainment title has the best chance of winning? What live dealer content is the most profitable? How to get the maximum chance of winning? Which slot machine has paid out the biggest jackpot? ChatGPT also informs the audience about game releases, exciting mechanics, the launch of beneficial bonus promotions, and other news on the gambling market. The help with table games. Card products, with a built-in RNG or live dealers, are the type of content in which it is possible to get a significant advantage thanks to a well-chosen strategy. We are talking about poker, roulette, blackjack, and other solutions where gamers rely not only on luck but also on their mind. ChatGPT helps to guess the results. However, the accuracy of the generated outcome is not always 100%. A gambler can use the tips of the chatbot. Nevertheless, it is rather unreasonable to trust its opinion, especially when playing at high stakes. One of the most profitable and easily predictable games is blackjack. It has a slight house edge, as well as a side wager system that increases the possibility of winning. Baccarat and craps also provide good chances of success due to the easy rules and the presence of extra bets. The most profitable roulette strategies according to ChatGPT are as follows. Martingale system. Doubling the bet after each defeat. When the bet eventually wins, the gambler will compensate for all previous losses and stay in the black. Reverse martingale strategy. The gamer needs to double the bet after each win to maximize profit during the winning series of wagers. The advantage of this approach lies in the fact that the punter only risks the prize money, and not the original bankroll. D'Alembert's method. Here the gambler is like playing chess. The user increases the bet by 1 after each unsuccessful spin of the wheel and reduces it by 1 point if the round is lucrative. Fibonacci strategy. Here the mathematical sequence is used. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. After each failure, the gamer increases the bet by 1 step from this combination, and after a successful session, the user returns 2 points. The main things about the use of ChatGPT in sportsbooks and online casinos. ChatGPT is an OpenAI product based on artificial intelligence algorithms. The solution is presented as a chatbot with a main menu and many dialog boxes. Each user request is recorded. The program can translate texts, create songs, write medical advice, communicate with other neural networks, and give simple answers to complex questions. The product is available in 2 versions, a free basic option and an advanced solution with a paid subscription. Registration in the chatbot is possible using an email address and a mobile number. Another option is verification through already created Google or Microsoft accounts. In the gambling industry, ChatGPT is used to predict the results of bets on sports. Much less often, the software is utilized to obtain a legal advantage in online casinos. The AI program can collect and update data, generate lists of recommendations, analyze past sports matches, monitor odds and lines, and present different gambling strategies. Contact casino market managers and learn more about the use of artificial intelligence in the iGaming industry. You can consult with us on launching an innovative and profitable gambling startup, scaling your business, obtaining a license, and entering new legal markets.